Alright, boys. I picked you specifically for this mission because you are the toughest, the meanest, the prettiest, and the most ghetto-fabulous goons I know in this town. Except for Drew, who happens to be my hyperactive brother, and I couldn't, my mother made him into this plan. Here you go, sir. Using these items, we will be able to pull off maybe the greatest bank heist in all of American history. I would say North American, but those Mexicans have pulled off quite a few bank heists.
Wow!
Okay.
My family's from Mexico.
Anyway, plan. In order to get into the bank, we are going to use an exploding cart and block.
Question.
Yeah?
Why?
Just because. Because.
The question.
What?
Because why?
Because it's original, okay? Because they won't be expecting us to use an exploding cart and block. Okay, just and
Question.
yes.
Did you say exploding cat or exploding cart?
Exploding cart with an R, alright? It's not that, it's a... Okay, just let me get on with this, alright?
I like exploding cats.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna launch a block through the window of the bank. And from there we'll wing it, you know?
Why are we gonna do that?
Alright, here's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna measure the force that the plunger puts on our cart.
Question.
Yes?
Why are we using a plunger?
Next, we're going to calculate the coefficient of friction of the block against the ground. And from there, we can determine whatever the hell we need to determine. Alright, boys, get working.
Sam, does this look good?
No, keep at it.
I don't get it.
Guys have given me, and I must say I'm not pleased at all. Is this Mickey Mouse?
I love Mickey Mouse.
Alright.
Do you like MacGyver?
No, I don't. Do it over. Every single one of you, do it over.
But I have the proof of God here.
Yes, whatever. Alright? Do it over. Whatever makes you comfortable. Go wherever makes you comfortable. Do it over. We'll get it right this time. Day 5 of physics calculations. Billy the pirate has passed away from over physics. It's okay, man. Alright. Since you nitwits obviously don't know how to do a physics project, I'll show you what it's about. Okay. Let's say, hypothetically, we were using a 0.25 kilogram cart against the bank. Alright? The cart would initially stay at rest until the button is pressed. However, it only accelerates for the length of the plunger, and for the sake of numbers, let's just say that's around 0.05 meters. 0.5 meters is insignificant to the rest of the graph, so we can say the average velocity is also the final velocity of the acceleration. Plugging this into some basic physics equations, we'll find the acceleration and then find the force. See, it's really quite simple. I mean, I'm surprised you didn't get it.
I understand it now.
Yeah. Alright, keep working.
Hey guys, I got part B.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me see that.
Now, of course, we have to find what the coefficient of friction on our smashing block would hypothetically be. For this, we need to find at what angle the block would slide so we can find mu, like so. Vertical forces equal vertical forces, horizontal equal horizontal. So Wx equals the force of friction, and Wy equals n. Since we know W and we know theta, we can say that W cosine theta equals n, and W sine theta equals the force of friction. Then we plug and chug these numbers into the equation, F equals mu n to find mu. And that's really how you do it. So now, on to part C, and after that, the world.
Alright.
I got it! I've got the last part right here. Part C. Taking the force of the plunger and the coefficient of friction we previously found, we can now find the initial acceleration and the deceleration of the block in front of the cart. The initial acceleration would be the force of the plunger minus the force of the friction, and then that's equal to the mass of the entire system multiplied by A. After this, the only force acting in the cart and the block is friction, so it's going to be decelerating. Now we can find the deceleration that the friction causes, also by using F equals ma. Using this, we can find the total displacement. And that's how far the cart will go.
I would be lying if I said I wasn't proud of you, guys. We've been through a lot. A hell of a lot.
A man died during physics.
A man died during physics. And he shall always be remembered. We went through... It's okay. We went through 3 parts of physics problems. We learned the force of a plunger on a exploding cart and block. And now, after years of patience and hard work, we're ready to take on the bank.